Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, TPM2, 0 and secure boot enabled, plus at least 4 GB RAM and 64 GB disk. This ensures stability and security. Once done, back up your files to an external drive or cloud so you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. Next, decide how to get Windows 11. Use Windows Update for the smoothest path, or download the installation assistant, or make a bootable USB with the media creation tool if you prefer a clean install. Once you choose a method, start the download. Run the installation assistant as administrator to keep settings and apps, and follow each prompt. This preserves your profile. If you opt for a clean install, create an 8+ GB bootable USB with the media creation tool, and set your BIOS or UEFI to boot from USB. Make sure secure boot settings allow the media. Also update drivers and BIOS beforehand, and unplug printers, docks, and other non-essential peripherals to reduce driver conflicts during installation. You complete the install by finishing the out-of-box experience and signing in with a Microsoft account or local account, depending on your privacy needs. This links settings and OneDrive if you choose. Once on the desktop, run Windows Update, reinstall apps, and restore your files from backup. Confirm drivers in Device Manager. If something goes wrong, first verify TPM and UEFI settings, then try using the ISO for a clean install or use recovery to roll back. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.